evening, everyone. Today is Sunday. 6 o'clock na po ng gabi. Katatapos po ng ating Christian Couples Fellowship. Nabaknang alamisaan, kakabsat. Welcome to our rich table. Paunahin.
With Ajay katugangan ni Adan
Nabaknang alamisaan na po. Thank you very much kadagijay host couple, Brother Vincent and Sister Zell. Thank you very much. Brother Joey A. Acebo and Sister